What's up, drivers? Today we're loading your ride with 20 of the coolest, most useful car gadgets out there, the kind that make driving smoother, safer, and way more fun. And yep, every single one is linked in the description, so you can check them out anytime. Trust me, you'll want them all. Let's roll! Let's kick things off with the Car Headrest Tablet Holder, a total game changer for road trips. This nifty device clips your tablet to the headrest, letting kids or passengers watch movies or play games hands-free. It's adjustable to fit most tablets, super easy to install, and keeps everyone entertained. No more, "Are we there yet?" whining just happy vibes in the back seat. Whether it's a quick drive or a cross-country adventure, this holder makes every journey feel like a mobile movie theater. While the backseat's chilling, let's keep you safe up front with the Redtiger 4 Kelvin dash cam setup. This bad boy records in stunning 4 Kelvin with a wide-angle lens and night vision, catching every road detail. Wi-Fi and GPS let you track routes or share epic drives. It's your go-to for accident-proof or capturing scenic trips. Sleek and easy to set up, this dash cam's a must for any driver who wants peace of mind and crystal-clear footage. Now that your drives are recorded, let's keep your car clean with a Hotor Car Trash Can. This leak-proof bin hangs on doors or seats, swallowing wrappers, cups, and clutter. It's compact, has a lid to trap odors, and fits any car perfectly. No more digging crumbs out of your seats or dealing with a messy interior. With this handy trash can, your ride stays tidy and sharp, making every trip feel fresh and organized from start to finish. A clean car needs fresh air, and the Phillips GoPure HEPA air purifier is here for it. This compact device plugs into your car, wiping out dust, pollen, and funky smells in minutes. It's perfect for allergy sufferers or anyone who loves a crisp cabin. Quiet and efficient, it keeps your air clean, whether you're stuck in traffic or cruising the open road. Breathe easy and keep your ride feeling like a breath of fresh air with this awesome purifier. Next up, the suction cup phone mount sticks firmly to your windshield or dashboard and adjusts to give the perfect viewing angle. Whether you're navigating, taking hands-free calls, or streaming tunes, your phone stays steady on bumpy roads. This mount keeps you connected and focused on the drive, combining convenience and safety. And that wraps up the first 5 must-have gadgets to upgrade your ride. Hey drivers, we're 5 gadgets in and already leveling up. Don't forget to check the description for all these goodies. With your phone locked in, let's snack in style with the Lebogner steering wheel tray. It is a total game changer for drivers who love multitasking on the go. Whether you're grabbing a quick snack, jotting down notes, or using it as a mini workspace, this sturdy tray hooks right onto your steering wheel without interfering with driving. It's super convenient and perfect for busy mornings or road trips when you need a little extra surface. Now that you've got your tray sorted, let's power up with something essential for emergencies. Let's power up your car life with the NOCO Boost UltraSafe Jump Starter. This compact but mighty gadget can revive a completely dead battery without needing a second vehicle. It's super safe and easy to use, plus it doubles as a phone charger. With up to 20 jump starts per charge, it's a reliable lifesaver in emergencies. Just toss it in your glove box and drive with confidence, wherever your journey takes you. With power sorted, let's make your driving safer and smarter with the heads-up display for cars. This cool gadget projects your speed, navigation, and alerts right onto your windshield, so you never take your eyes off the road. It syncs with your car's system to provide bright, clear, real-time info. Perfect for tech lovers, this futuristic display keeps you informed and focused, making every drive safer and way more fun. Think of it as your personal cockpit upgrade. No distractions on the road, but those annoying seat gaps? The drop-stop car seat gap fillers solve that problem. These inserts slide between your seat and console, catching crumbs, coins, and phones before they fall out of reach. They fit most cars and install in seconds, helping keep your ride clean and frustration-free. No more digging under seats or losing small items. It's a simple, clever solution that keeps your car interior tidy and your peace of mind intact. Next, keep your cargo organized with the Backseat Hanging Car Trunk Organizer. This durable, collapsible organizer hangs in your trunk and offers compartments for groceries, tools, or sports gear. It saves space while preventing bags from sliding around on sharp turns. Ideal for road trips or everyday errands, it keeps your trunk neat and clutter-free. Say goodbye to chaos and hello to organized adventures. This handy organizer makes loading and unloading smoother every time. Hey, don't forget to check the description below for links to all these amazing gadgets ready to upgrade your drive. With your trunk neat and organized, let's pack bigger with the Rooftop Cargo Carrier Bag. Available in roomy 15 or 20 cubic feet sizes, this waterproof bag securely straps to your car roof, perfect for luggage, camping gear, or extra supplies. It's tough, weather-resistant, and easy to install, protecting your stuff from rain, dust, and dirt. Whether you're heading out for a family vacation or moving day, this carrier gives your car much-needed extra space without sacrificing style or safety. Load up and hit the road ready for adventure. Now, for off-road lovers and adventurers, the Traction Track Tire Ladder is an absolute must-have. These portable traction tracks grip tough terrain like snow, mud, or sand, helping your tires get the traction needed to escape sticky situations. They're lightweight, compact, and deploy in seconds, so you can keep moving without stress. Whether you're off-roading, stuck in a snowy ditch, or navigating slippery paths, these tracks give you confidence and control. Don't let rough terrain hold you back. Conquer every road with ease. Stuck no more! But what about your engine? The ANCEL OBD2 car code reader has you covered. This handy gadget plugs into your car's diagnostic port and reads error codes in seconds, letting you identify and clear issues before they become costly repairs. It features a clear display and easy-to-use controls, perfect for DIY mechanics or anyone wanting to understand their car better. Stay ahead of problems and keep your vehicle running smoothly. This budget-friendly tool is a smart investment for every driver's toolkit. With your engine checked, let's keep your devices powered up on the go with the Retractable Car Charger. This sleek little charger plugs into your car's outlet and offers fast USB charging with a retractable cable to avoid clutter and tangles. Compatible with most phones and tablets, it keeps your devices juiced during long drives or daily commutes. Say goodbye to messy cords and dead batteries, and hello to convenience and speed. A compact upgrade that makes a big difference for anyone who's always on the move. Next up, keep your ride safe and secure with the GPS Smart Tracker. This tiny, discreet device hides easily in your car and lets you track its real-time location straight from your phone. It's perfect for preventing theft or keeping an eye on teen drivers. Easy to set up and reliable, it offers peace of mind wherever you park. Whether you want to monitor your vehicle or just feel more secure, this smart little tracker keeps your car on your radar at all times. We're halfway through, and these gadgets are seriously leveling up your car game. Don't forget to check the description for links to all these must-have accessories ready for you to grab. With your car's location sorted, let's make cleaning easier and way more fun with the foam cannon. This nifty attachment connects to your pressure washer and blasts thick, rich foam all over your car, loosening dirt and grime effortlessly. It's adjustable for the perfect foam thickness and makes washing your ride feel like a professional detailing session. Say goodbye to stubborn dirt and hello to a sparkling, showroom shine every time you clean. Your car will thank you. Now, winter drivers, listen up. Snow socks for tires are a total game changer. These fabric covers slip easily over your tires, boosting traction on icy or snowy roads. They're much easier to install than traditional chains and super lightweight to carry. Perfect for snowy commutes or weekend ski trips, they help you maintain control and safety when conditions get slippery. Compact and easy to store, snow socks are a must-have for anyone facing winter driving challenges. Stay safe and glide through snow with confidence. Last but definitely not least, the electric car jack is a powerful upgrade for anyone who wants to make tire changes or roadside repairs easier. Instead of wrestling with a manual jack, this electric version lifts your car smoothly at the push of a button. Compact and safe, it comes with built-in safety features and strong construction to handle any roadside emergency with confidence. Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to car maintenance, this jack turns stressful situations into quick, manageable tasks. And that's a wrap on 20 must-have gadgets guaranteed to make your car absolutely epic. If you loved any of these game changers, don't forget to smash that like button, share this video with your fellow drivers, and hit subscribe for more awesome car tips every single week. Be sure to check the description below for all the product links so you can grab your favorites easily. Tap the notification bell too, so you never miss out on the latest and greatest. Thanks for cruising with me, happy driving, and I'll see you in the next one.